Hey, we have one leg over your head and a fat tummy. Look, we got the butt over here. We got the butt, we got the tummy, we got a leg over your head, and we got the tummy right in the middle. What are you doing, Leo? He says, I like to roll around and be silly. This is your front foot, and that's your back foot. This is your back foot. Yep, okay, you gotta lick your back foot? Okay. Oh. Hello. You look so intelligent. Oh, bye. Hi, Dax. Dax said, Leo's such a goofball. He said, but I'm so handsome and sexy. Yes.